What is up, you guys? We are back with another video on this 1999 Honda CRV. So I don't know if you guys could tell how bright this reverse light is, and then on this side we have no action. So we're gonna be working on this side of the tail light and make it just as bright as this one. I just decided to record this part of the video at nighttime to show you guys how bright that reverse light is. So let's get to work on this one. So we're gonna start off by removing these 3 bolts right here. They are 5/16. Then you can pull this thing out. Do it with 2 hands. So this plug goes to this. You can remove the whole harness from the body. This one is the reverse light. So like I showed you guys, it didn't turn on at all. On the passenger side, it had a lot of corrosion. So I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be the same. There is some corrosion in there, and all we did is we grabbed one of these, and then we just scratched the inside a little bit just to get some of that off on both sides. This side too. Ideally I would want to wire brush these, but obviously there's no way to get a wire brush in here, so I'm just gonna try to scratch it off as much as we can. And then we closed them up a little bit, so we grabbed the side of the thing right there, the little metal piece, we bent it inward just so it could grab on nicely to the new bulb. Let me finish cleaning these up and then I'll put you guys back on. I got it all cleaned up, well, as much as I could. Now I'm gonna install the new bulb. This is the one that we have. Last fit LED lighting. 1-year warranty. Not bad. This is the part number right there. So these, I think you have to, if it doesn't turn on, you have to flip the bulb around so it could turn on. So we're gonna try it like this. We're gonna plug this up and then see if it turns on. If not, we're gonna have to pull out the bulb and then flip it. So when you flip it, all you gotta do is just take it off, turn it the other way, and then you should be good. Okay, so this is the way it has to go in. So I'm gonna just keep it up with the letters facing the right way, and then we're gonna put some of this dielectric grease in there to hopefully prevent the moisture from coming back and messing up the connection. Install that back in there, and then just route the wires back how they were, just so you won't pinch anything. And I will show you guys, but obviously I can't do it with one hand. I'm gonna have to plug this in and slide these clips into the body. The body has little holes for it. One is here and one is up here. And then I'll put all 3 screws back in. So there you have it, quick little install. See the light is on now. Also on this side. So I'm gonna leave the link to their website in the description down below, so you guys could go ahead and check out that link. And also make sure to follow us on Instagram at Yonka_OXC Films. I will leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.